Welcome to my tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to change the package name in Android Studio for the Java class. First of all, we have to change to project, not using Android. Okay, now you can see the package name is like something like that. com.example.my application. So we have to go to this setting. We have to untick the compact meter package. So we picked out the package name. If you want to change this, so we just right click, refactor, rename. So it will ask you whether you want to change the package or you want to rename the directory. For our case, we are using change the package. So we'll click rename package. We change to example 1, refactor. So it will help you to search and change accordingly. So you can double check on it and do refactor. So now you can see all changed ready. After that, you have to go to the Gradle file and change manually here for this application ID. That's all for the tutorial. Thank you for watching.